Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create Chatbot with Python. So let's get started. We begin with a simple rule-based chatbot where Python matches user input with predefined replies. For example, if someone types hello, the bot says hi there, and if they type bye, the bot ends the chat. Once you understand this foundation, you can move into natural language processing with libraries like NLTK or Spacey, which help the chatbot recognize intent, context, and even different languages, so it doesn't just react to exact words, but actually understands what the user means. Finally, you can unlock the power of artificial intelligence using libraries such as ChatterBot or Hugging Face transformers, allowing your chatbot to learn from conversations and generate human-like responses just like Siri, Alexa, or Chatbot. With Python, you can start small and scale your chatbot into a real AI assistant that can support businesses, automate customer service, provide education, or even just have fun and engaging conversations. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.